Safety is important to Husky. No one should ever get hurt making, installing, or using our products. Safety is a pillar that Husky has been built on. It's a foundation of our business. It should be part of any inspection, maintenance, or service job to evaluate the job site to determine what hazards are present. It's important to make sure that your personal protection equipment will address the environmental or chemical hazards you'll be around. Since drivers usually aren't expecting to find somebody working on a fueling point, wear a high visibility vest and use traffic cones to block off the forecourt lane. You want to make sure to protect your eyes, face, head, and extremities. Eye protection, proper clothing, work boots, and gloves are recommended when working on hanging fueling equipment. Gather the tools that you'll need and use the right tool for the job. For example, metal buckets help dissipate static charge to prevent a spark that might ignite gasoline vapors. In addition, a good quality, stable step stool or ladder is important for safely working on the equipment that's out of reach from the ground. The installation instructions that are shipped with every Husky product has useful safety information. Those installation sheets are also available on our website, Husky.com. Learn about your company's safety policies and what equipment they recommend. If you'd like to learn more, PEI RP 500 and OSHA 1910 Subpart 1 are good sources of information too.